Welcome back, children. Let us continue this chapter, the necklace, the concluding part. In the last video, we have learnt about Matilda, the way that she lost and then later on they decided to buy a new one. They bought paying 36,000 francs, and it was not easy for that clerk, for her husband, right? Because he was a mere clerk in one of the office of Board of Education. But still that he did, and he knew that the necessity of life now, that she had to work hard to pay the frightful debt. So that is why, first of all, they had to remove away the maid. Second thing, that they changed their lodging and they took one small rooms on the rent. Next thing that they did, that she learned to do some work, especially learned doing the odious work of kitchen, washed the dishes, solid lining, linen clothes, floor, everything. And plus she took down the refuse. Refuse means garbage here, or the waste material things, that she took down the things to the street, brought up the water, and also that she used to go herself for buying the groceries, it means to the grocers or to the butchers or the fruit sellers, everywhere that she had, personally that she had to go, because they were without maid, right? So that is what. Next, whenever that she used to buy there, for each and every currency, for each and every money that she was bargaining, just like a housewife, it means traditional typical housewife that she did. Do you know that it happened? Why? Only because of her aspirations, her desire, her longing for materialistic things. It happened only because of her that behavior. She was not contented in her life, not satisfied. So that is the reason that she had to suffer along with her husband. After that, not only her husband also, that he started doing extra work to pay the debt, that money, that 18,000 francs, that he started working. For example, he worked, this man that he worked at, where evening also that he worked, putting the books of one of the merchants in order after his main job, clerical job, that he worked at the night, evening. So often did copying at 5 sous a page, 5 such currencies every day. So in 10 years, it lasted for 10 years. This such kind of the routine of the husband and wife, it took or lasted 10 years, 1 decade it took. So after 10 years, at the end of that, they were able to complete that amount that they were able to repay. And in 10 years that they have stored everything all. It means that they paid the money in 10 years. But it means that 10 years of their life that they had to suffer only because of her nature. After that, Matilda, during the span of these 10 years, that due to the household work or all these things that she had become, she was looking like an old lady. It means she became old, seemed old, plus she had become strong now, but hard one because of the work she was doing. Her hairs also badly dressed, and skirts that was also not in a proper condition, dressing something. Her clothes, everything has been changed now after 10 years. That her look, she was not looking pretty or beautiful now or attractive, charming. No, not at all. Because she had to do a lot of things herself. Her work, each and everything. So that is why. And her hands became red. She spoke loudly, means in a loud voice, harsh in a rough voice that she used to speak now. And whenever, for example, sometimes her husband was at the office. That time she used to sit before the window and she would think about the past days. That party, means that ball, the way that she danced, dressed, necklace, everything. And she thought that the day, it means it would have been the different days if she had not lost that necklace. The days would have been something different. But here life is uncertain. We don't know that at what time the life would turn, take a change. So in this way that she was leading still an unhappy life, miserable life, only because of her deeds. So but one Sunday what happened, when she was out in the garden somewhere for taking a walk, wanted to get rid of the work of especially of this weekly work, all these things. When she was having a round or walk in that garden, suddenly that she noticed a woman who was with her child, who was carried a child, that she noticed. And she understood, she perceived that who was that? That was Madame Forestier, her old friend, to whom that she had lent that necklace. And because of that necklace, that she had to suffer 10 years. And the thought, she was thinking what to do now. Should I speak to her? Because right now that I have paid the money, so no matter at all, I could speak to her. So directly that she went there, she stood in front of her, Matilda, in front of Forestier, and she said, "Hello, Mr. Forestier," she said. That time Madame Forestier, she did not recognize her, identify her, and she said, looking at that common personage, it means Matilda, who was in not in a proper condition, looking old, not beautiful, dressing, hairs improper. That Forestier, that she could not recognize her, and she asked her, "Sorry ma'am, that you must be mistaken." Then she gave her identity, that I am Matilda. Do you remember Matilda Loisel? That time she exclaimed that she remembered. It means she gave a cry of astonishment to Madame Forestier, and she said later on she said, "Oh my poor Matilda, how you have changed," looking at her appearance. Matilda said later on, "Which happened only because of you. I have had some bad days, and that is only because of you." Then Madame Forestier asked, "Why? How? What I did?" That time she said, "Do you remember that necklace, that party? I loaned necklace from you for that party." She said, "Yes. You have returned it to me. Because of that necklace, it means that necklace that I have to suffer for 10 years. How?" Then she revealed the fact, because till that moment, Matilda, she did not reveal to Forestier, did not say to her anything, that actually your necklace we had lost, and we have given you a new necklace. We have bought a new necklace, we have replaced, or substitute is given. They had not informed to Madame Forestier. It means she was dishonest there. So that time she said that your necklace we had lost, and it was not easy for us to purchase a new one. So that, but at that condition also we had bought a new, which looked like yours. That time she was surprised, Madame Forestier, and she asked, "You mean to say that you replaced the necklace which you gave me, that was new one?" She said, "Yes." "You did not perceive?" Matilda asked. That time what she did, she smiled with proud and a simple joy, Madame Forestier, and later on she replied, Then she replied, "Oh my poor Matilda, mine was false, and that was not worth more than 500 francs, hardly 500 francs." It means at the end of this one, Madame Forestier revealed the necklace which she had given to Matilda for that ball or the party, that was false one, not worth more than 500 francs. That time Matilda came to know that we had to suffer to pay that 36,000 francs, and they had paid 36,000 francs, and now they came to know that that necklace actually that was the false one, and that worth not more than 500 francs. And for that 500 francs, they had to pay 36,000 francs. And 10 years of their life that they had to suffer. Mental torture, suffering each and everything. Total her appearance had been changed during that the span of the 10 years. See now, and it happened, we know that, because she was running up to the materialistic things. Now here is the end of this chapter. That at the end of this chapter, Madame Forestier, she revealed to Matilda that my necklace was false, that was not original or real. Not more than worth more than 500 francs. Now here is the end of this chapter. It means when we look at the theme of this chapter, that we come to know that it happened that they had to suffer, or they had been tortured, mental torture, all these things, physical, everything. Why? Because of her pride. Because she wanted to look beautiful in that ball or the party. So that is why she borrowed a necklace from, to whom? Madame Forestier. And because of that necklace, the whole tragedy took place. That especially that 10 years of important 10 years of their life that they had lost, and plus 36,000, and the appearance had been changed, everything, she had become old now looking, saint. So the writer wants to say here in the theme, it means we should not run after the materialistic things, the way that she run after the necklace or the having the good dress, all these things. And the writer says we should be content with what life gives us. This is also one of the things. What is the theme? We should be content. Content means satisfied. We should be content to what life gives us, or what the God has given to us. We should be content there. And the next theme, Matilda's pride, her materialistic aspirations, dishonesty paved the way for her ruin. And the tragedy took place. They had to suffer. They had to go through a lot of problems, hurdles. And why it happened? Why they had to do? Only because of her pride, materialistic aspirations, and her dishonesty. How can we say that her dishonesty? Because, for example, if she would have revealed at that time, if she would have told at that time to Madame Forestier that actually we have lost your necklace, so definitely there was no need to suffer for them, because that was merely 500 francs, not more than that. It means she was dishonest, she did not accept, she did not confess to Forestier at that time. So that is why they had to go through all these problems. Next, honesty is the best policy. If she should have accepted at that time, for example, if she would have accepted at that time, so definitely the results would have been different if she had been accepted at that time. So next thing, falsehood, hypocrisy leads to misery, evil and gloom. Right? Falsehood, her nature was falsehood. She wanted to show only, showcase. Hypocrisy leads to only misery, only problems, sadness, all these things for the gloomy nature. Then vanity is an evil, brings joy for a short period of time. Sometimes these artificial things or the luxuries, it will give you the happiness only for a kind of a temporary happiness, we could say, for a short period of time. But we know that ultimately it leads to ruin, right? And the same thing is happened here. So in this way, some we could say some 5-6 points that we could consider in theme of this chapter. So this chapter is possible for long questions. So you do it properly, you learn. You can note down the themes, especially of this chapter, and you can prepare the your answer in that manner. They could ask in any angle the question for long one, right? So in this way now we have thoroughly studied the theme of this, the summary of this chapter, the characters, and the theme, right? I hope that you might have understood the things very well. Now here is the end of this chapter. Thank you and have a good day.